Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, remote vehicle start, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.